Each year, George Mason Facilities hosts a paid summer internship program that provides undergraduate students with opportunities to thrive with real-world hands-on experiences. Students will receive insight into a field related to their major or future career.
My typical duties are making videos and flyers, social media content, and then scheduling social media posts for the Mason Facilities Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn accounts.
I feel like my managers involve me in their work.
It was a good opportunity for me to actually learn some professional in real life where I can apply my college knowledge.
George Mason Facilities is composed of several different teams. Our operations team and facilities management, which keeps our campuses running 24/7. Planning, design, and construction, which is responsible for our new buildings and for keeping existing spaces fresh and modern. And business services, which makes sure that facilities has the tools and resources they need to focus on ensuring a quality physical environment to support the mission of the university.
I wanted to learn more about facilities, and once I realized that it aligned with a lot of my values, I knew that I made the right choice.
This 12-week program provides opportunities to those looking to broaden their horizons in their careers.
I just make sure everything is as it's supposed to be. Just get a feel of how the projects are going. So when I do get a job eventually, I have some background.
As interns, we were able to work collaboratively on our projects via weekly meetings and join each other's work tasks. We have several different opportunities to develop skills individually and as a group. One of these opportunities was touring the construction site of Fuse at Mason Square. The Fuse building is located in Arlington and will feature a mix of research and design labs and classrooms. It will also have innovation labs, incubators, and accelerators. The Fuse building will also incorporate state-of-the-art smart and green building technology. In addition to the Fuse tour, we attended numerous other ongoing construction projects such as the Aquatic and Fitness Center on the Fairfax campus and the Life Science and Engineering building on the Science and Technology campus. Throughout the summer, we refined our professional networking, problem solving, and communication abilities. We got to experience what it was like to work a day in the life of a full-time working professional. George Mason Facilities is always looking for dedicated, eager, and enthusiastic students to join our team. With so many different areas within facilities, we're sure that future interns will find a position that suits their needs.